How to make a WhatsApp link. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a WhatsApp link, here is what should be done. First of all, go to any section where you can type in the link. Once that is done, start by typing in https colon double slash wa.me slash and your phone number. Make sure to have your phone number with your country code, which includes country code plus number. It should not be with any spaces or special characters. Once you have created the link, you can just copy the link and share it to others so that the people can directly message you on WhatsApp. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.